This week we're going to highlight an ongoing weather market with hot, dry conditions in parts of Argentina, but rainfall also being seen. We're also going to take a look at the updated pace of U.S. corn export sales, keeping a watchful eye on China, and wrap things up this week looking at trends in December corn futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We're in the final days of January here, and this market remains historically volatile. Let's start out this week looking at trends in Argentina corn production, where there's an ongoing weather market taking place. Where is that corn grown in Argentina? We've got four key provinces here: Córdoba, Buenos Aires, Santa Fe, and Santiago del Estero. Between 80 to 85% of that corn is produced in those provinces. Again, as we approach the 1st of February here, we're looking at a weather market as the corn is pollinating. Let's take a look at the short-term forecast. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're starting out here looking at a change in the weather pattern here. We're looking at precip over the last 14 days, more of a proxy for topsoil moisture, if you will. Notice that we don't see near as much red on that screen as we did the last month. That's because we've seen more precip over the last week or two here. Now let's look ahead through the 1st of February. We're going to look at precip totals again through the 1st of February. Notice in that pink area, 1.5 to 3 inches of rain. We're looking at some of those key production areas. The key will be to see if those levels are achieved, or if they're exceeded, or if the rainfall falls short. 1 to 2 inches in that green area. Now let's quantify that as we wrap up the forecast. All over that light yellow area is near normal precip over the next 14 days. So as this corn goes through pollination here, some of these regions are going to get some rainfall. Again, the key will be to see coverage and amounts over the next couple of weeks. Let's shift gears now back to the demand side of the equation. Let's take a look at the pace of U.S. corn export sales. We've looked at this chart, and it bears repeating that corn export business is much weaker than it has been each of the last 2 years. In fact, we're looking at one of the weakest sales totals of the last 20 years. But here's a key point to highlight. The Brazilian export program is winding down, so a key will be to see if China buys more U.S. corn. We did see a small sale reported in last week's export sales report. Key question: will more be seen in the coming weeks? Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in December corn futures. When we glance at this chart, notice that a few weeks ago we had December corn over $6 a bushel. The market is weakened here. It's still near $5.90 a bushel, however, and that's $1.50 above the 5-year average for this time of year. And a key reminder, there's still 5 weeks, that is until the end of February, before the crop insurance base price is set. So we strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to continue to defend your balance sheet. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.